In this episode we're going to actually look at something called the Trapdoor card. But what I have here is a playing card and I've taken a little lip out of it. If I was to hold it like this, you can see the card is now face up. If you watch it carefully, I can take those sides, trap them in place, and with a few clever moves the card can be face down. I'll do that again. Look, this time the card is face down, we're going to make it go face up. A few clever moves, and now the card is face up. Now if you were to try that yourself, chances are you'd not be able to do it. It's not as easy as it looks. But I'm going to teach you how this is made. First of all, I'm using a giant card, but it works with any card, it's just better for the camera that I'm using bigger cards. You're going to take a card and fold it in half. And make sure that crease is nice and sharp. And then going to fold it horizontally. And again I'm going to run my fingers across that crease and I'm going to fold it both ways. So now we can move it that way. Now we're going to fold the insides to the middle like this. Basically what we're doing is we're folding it into 16 squares. And I can do the same on this side. We'll make them all meet up. So you can see that's now all folded up. So they're into groups of 4. And the same this way. Folding the horizontal sides inwards. Line that up a bit. And we'll do the same on this side. And what that does is it creates us 16 sections. Best way to show you is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? Just going to go over those creases. Now what we need to do is we need to tear out the trapdoor. To do that I'm going to fold it in half and go to a little section just here. I'll put it nice and close. And tear it right down that crease I've made to that point there. Okay? Now I'm going to tear downwards along the crease to there. Okay, now I can open it up and what I've got there is my little trapdoor and that's the card constructed. Okay, here's the trick. You need to basically have the spectator hold it, or you hold it, with your hand sideways. There's a few other tricks in Magic that hold it in a different place. This way you're going to hold it sideways with your finger and thumb like so. What to do? Firstly, you're going to start to fold the card inwards. So the two outer edges go in first. Okay? Remember it's face up at the moment. Then the furthest most edges, they go in. So now the two ends. So all 4 sides, that side, then that side, then that side, then that side, all get folded in. The whole thing gets folded in half. And then this side here flips open and then you just open all the sides and it's now face down. It looks simpler than it actually is. It's memorizing the way that you fold it is the trick. So again, you're holding it here, face up, far side here goes in first, then the far side and the opposite end, the two outermost sides. Then we're going to do these 2 sides, this side here, and then this side here. That traps those in. Then I fold the whole thing in half, and if you see so, there's a little kind of door that's opening here. That flips open, opens up the side panels, they can be opened, and then this opens backwards and out. And now we're upside down, okay? I'm going to come really close up, try one more take for the camera. I'll stick with the same sequence here. So I'm holding it like this. I'm going to fold in that side, then this side, then this side, then this side, and the whole thing gets folded in half. Do it that way, and then this way flips open, that flips open, that flips open, and that is now down, and now we're face down, okay? And that's the Trapdoor card. It's a cool little trick that you can do, especially if you're at the bar, if you've got one card and it's just something you want to have some fun with. I love it. I've done it a few times now, and it's one of those great puzzlers that they will have that card and they'll be trying to backwards engineer it, but they'll fail every single time. That's the Trapdoor card. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah.